The history of Coca-Cola is tied to a little-known fact. When it was first created, Coca-Cola contained cocaine. This dates back to 1886, when the beverage was invented by Dr. John Stith Pemberton, a pharmacist from Atlanta, Georgia. He marketed it as a medicinal tonic intended to cure ailments such as headaches, fatigue, and even morphine addiction. At the time, cocaine was legal and widely used in medicine. The original recipe for Coca-Cola included coca leaf extract, which naturally contains small amounts of cocaine. Pemberton combined this with kola nut extract, which contains caffeine, to create a stimulating drink. The name Coca-Cola reflects both the coca leaves and the kola nuts used in the recipe. While it's difficult to pinpoint the exact amount, early versions of Coca-Cola are believed to have contained about 9 milligrams of cocaine per serving. To put that in perspective, the amount of cocaine in the drink was significantly less than a recreational dose, but it was enough to produce a mild stimulant effect. By the early 1900s, growing public concern about the dangers of cocaine prompted changes in the Coca-Cola formula. In 1904, the company began using spent coca leaves, those that had already been stripped of most of their cocaine content. By 1929, advances in chemical processes allowed Coca-Cola to remove virtually all traces of cocaine from the leaves. Today, Coca-Cola uses a decocainized coca leaf extract. While Coca-Cola's early history with cocaine is true, it's also the source of many myths. Some people believe the drink was addictive or that it contained high levels of cocaine, but in reality, the amount was minimal, and the product evolved quickly as scientific understanding and public attitudes changed. This fascinating history reflects the cultural and medical norms of the 19th century, a time when cocaine and similar substances were widely accepted in mainstream society.